Welcome to Tocilizumab Chronicles Beyond the Cytokine Storm, where we explore the intricacies of tocilizumab and its role in medicine. I'm your host, Dr. Shikha Agrawal, and as always, I'm joined by Prachi Virat, our microbiology researcher with a passion for microbiome and bioinformatics. Prachi, great to have you with us again. Let's dive into today's episode the future of tocilizumab, emerging research, and potential new directions.
Thank you, Dr. Shikha. It's always a pleasure. I'm excited for today's episode. It's fascinating to look ahead and see what tocilizumab might be headed in the coming years.
Absolutely, let's dive straight in. Are researchers currently looking into any new ways tocilizumab could be used beyond its existing approved applications?
Great starting point. Yes, there is growing interest in expanding tocilizumab therapeutic potential beyond autoimmune disease and cytokine storm syndrome. Recent studies have explored its role in severe asthma, certain cases like multiple myeloma, where IL-6 play a pathological role. Even in chronic inflammatory conditions like atherosclerosis, there is also preclinical research investigating its application in neuroinflammatory disorder, including multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease, though it is still very early stage.
That's a really exciting list of possibilities. Thanks for setting the stage, Prachi. What about innovative approaches researchers are exploring to improve tocilizumab treatment outcomes?
Great follow up, Dr. Shika. One promising area is optimizing dosing strategy using therapeutic drug monitoring and individual pharmacokinetic modeling. This can help adjust dosing to maintain ideal serum levels for each patient. Additionally, research is looking into subcutaneous formulation with extended release profile for improved convenience and adherence. Another area is the development of biosimilars and biobetters, which could increase accessibility and possibly enhance efficacy or safety profiles.
Very interesting. It's great to hear how technology and data driven approaches are being integrated into biologic therapies. Now, how might tocilizumab be combined with other therapies to enhance treatment outcomes?
Excellent question. Combination therapies are gaining traction, especially in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and severe COVID 19. Combining tocilizumab with JAK inhibitors or TNF blockers is being cautiously explored to manage refractory inflammatory disease. In oncology, pairing IL-6 blockade with immune checker inhibitor might help reduce immune-related adverse event while preserving anti-tumor efficacy. A strategy being tested in early trials. Of course, these combinations need careful evaluation to avoid immunosuppression related complications.
That's a really thoughtful perspective on combination approaches. Thank you, Prachi. What would you say are the potential benefits and challenges of exploring these new indications and strategies for tocilizumab?
Good point to reflect on. The benefits include expanding therapeutic options for patients with limited alternatives, reducing corticosteroid reliance, and personalized immunotherapy regimens. However, challenges involve the risk of over immunosuppression, high cost, and the need for more robust clinical trial data in these novel indications. Plus, patient selection becomes even more critical as we move beyond traditional applications.
Well said, Prachi. It's clear this is a promising but complex area. Before we wrap up, what would you like our listeners to take away from today's discussion?
I would say tocilizumab's future is bright, with ongoing research exploring new indication, personalized dosing, and combination therapies. But it's crucial to balance innovation with patient safety and thorough clinical validation.
A perfect wrap up, as always, Prachi. Thank you so much for sharing those insights. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us again today. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that subscribe button and share this with your peers and fellow science enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious.